Sa tagal-tagal ko sa PhilHealth, okay? Of course, meron hong mga inclusion dyan about criminal act, okay? I am not familiar with any case like that. I've heard something, but it died with a natural death. A lot of it is mostly administrative. Okay? So, yan ho ang tutukan natin na para maintindihan ho ninyo at para hindi ho kayo ma-scam. Okay. Now, the first thing that I would want you to know is this. Okay? Ulitin ko hindi ho ako abogado. Okay? But after spending 15 years in PhilHealth and practically more than 5 years doing this, importante ho na maintindihan niyo yung quasi-judicial. Okay? Dati po, when I was with PhilHealth, hindi naman forced, but I'm required to attend ho itong mga PHA meeting. I'm not so fond of attending this. Kasi una, hindi naman ako part dyan. Pangalawa, they love to do it on a Sunday. Yung Sunday ko kasi that is very important to me. And I'm required to attend this Sunday meeting with PHA. And I keep on attending that, lalo na pag nasa region namin. Okay. Funny ho, dahil yung mga senior vice presidents, they are not there, but they would want me to attend and they would want me to answer the questions. In fact, there are times that even one officer from central office will just attend, and one from the region, which is ako yun. Kami lang dalawa magsasagot doon. And there are times senior officers of PhilHealth will not attend. Diyos ko. So, etong issue ng quasi-judicial ho, sa lahat ng naatinan ko, dinidiscuss ho yan. Okay? Ang madalas ho mag-discuss na yan, if you know Attorney J. Villegas, lawyer ng PhilHealth Central. Okay? Dati, nasa legal pa siya. Siya ho nagpe-present na yan. Umiikot din ho yan siya nationwide to present. So, I would want to know, okay, if you are listening right now, who among you is quite familiar with the concept of quasi-judicial? Okay? Type me if familiar ho kayo. Type no if hindi, dahil I will give a short explanation. Quasi-judicial, familiar ba ho sa inyo or aware ba kayo ano ito? Okay? Type yes, type no. Okay, thank you ma'am, we have no. What about ho yung iba? Okay? Quasi-judicial. Ang tanong ko ho, alam nyo ba yung konsepto ng quasi-judicial? Okay? Type yes if alam nyo, type no if hindi niyo alam. Okay, so dalawa lang ang sagot. May I know? Okay? Are you familiar with the quasi-judicial? So, okay. Sige. Baka yung iba nagmo-multitask. Okay po. Now, ano ba yung quasi-judicial? Again hindi ho ako lawyer. Pero kailangan ho maintindihan, when you discuss legal on PhilHealth, kailangan ho maintindihan ninyo yung quasi-judicial. Kasi dito pa lang, okay, parang 40 to 50% ng konsepto ng legal, alam nyo na. So, ang quasi-judicial ho, ganito yan. Si PhilHealth ho, based on the law, sa Republic Act 7875, ito ho yung mandate, or ito ho yung batas, which created PhilHealth, no? Nakasulat doon na they are a quasi-judicial organization. Si PhilHealth ho is authorized to investigate, conduct the proceeding, they will summon parties, mapatawag, pwede ho sila, authorized sila magpapatawag, authorized ho sila mag-issue ng subpoena, they are authorized to suspend hospitals, to deny, renew, or restore the accreditation of a hospital, and they are authorized to impose fines. Okay? So yan ho ang mahaba pa ho ang discussion ng quasi-judicial, okay? Pero para maintindihan nyo lang ho, okay, sa non-legal na konsepto or analogy, bigyan ko ho kayo ng simpleng analogy. Okay? Something hopefully na maintindihan ninyo. Of course, with a little exaggeration yung analogy ko. Okay? So, yung quasi-judicial, eto ho. Let us say, nagmamaneho ho kayo, and then nakasagasa kayo ng tao. Namatay. So, basically, nagkagulo. Okay? So, eto ngayon, yung mga tao na darating, okay, during the time na magkakaroon ng proseso doon sa pagkasala mo. Dahil nakasagasa ka, probably an arresting officer will arrive and there will be someone who will investigate. Yan na ho yung investigator. After a week or so, a month or so, or whatever it is, you will end up with the prosecutor. May kaso. Okay? And then, pagpalagay natin na sa judge na kayo, nandun yung prosecutor, yung may bit-bit kang bugado, nandyan din yung judge. Okay? Kumplitohin na ho natin. Okay? Lagyan na natin ng drama. Sakali hong, kunwari lang na may jury involved, no? Parang palabas sa TV. Sakali lang merong jury involved. Okay? So, merong ganon. Ngayon, let's say makukulong ka. So, merong jail management. Or let us say, may death penalty or whatever. Meron ding executioner. Okay? Yan yung exaggeration ko. Now, what's the point here? Sa quasi-judicial ho, lahat yan si PhilHealth. Okay? Ang sinasabi ko sa mga kliyente ko, ang konsepto ng quasi-judicial, hindi ho ako abogado, para ho hindi mawala sa isipan ninyo, si PhilHealth ho yung arresting officer, si PhilHealth ho yung mag-iimbestiga, si PhilHealth yung prosecutor, si PhilHealth din yung judge, si PhilHealth yung jury, okay, kung ikukulong ho kayo, si PhilHealth din ho ang magmamanage ng itong jail management. Kung kailangan naman ho ng death penalty, si PhilHealth din ang gagawa nun. Of course, in exaggeration. So, ang point lang ho, si PhilHealth ho lahat. Okay? Kasi yan ho yung common na complaint sa PHA. Why is it that PhilHealth performs all those tasks? So sabi ng ibang hospital, sa umpisa pa lang talo na kami. If you try to look at it that way, yes, there's some truth in it. Kasi nga quasi-judicial. So ang sinasagot ho parati ng representative ng central office is kasi po quasi-judicial si PhilHealth. At that time, hindi ko ho naintindihan yun eh. Pero habang dami ko hong naatinan na ganyan, so ito yung quasi-judicial. Si PhilHealth pala ang gagawa ng lahat. So if ako nga naman yung hospital, I will feel the same way. Really? You're going to do all of that against me? So wala na pala. So umpisa pa lang, medyo alanganin na ako. Okay? In a way, probably there's some truth in it. Okay? Sa opinion ko. So, it's very important right now to understand that si PhilHealth ho is a quasi-judicial organization. It's in the law. They are authorized to do it. I'll go back to the slide. Okay? So, yung entire proseso, balik ko ho dito, from investigation up to the imposition of fines, sila ho yan. Okay? Sila ho ang gagawa na yan lahat. So yan ho ang konsepto ng quasi-judicial.